Hi there, educators. Today we are going to talk about something super cool for teachers, using the 6 thinking hats technique in your classroom. It's going to help your students think better and work together. So let's jump right in. First, let's figure out what these 6 thinking hats are all about. They are like special thinking tools. Imagine each hat has a different job. We've got the white hat for facts, the red hat for feelings, the black hat for critical, the yellow hat for being positive, the green hat for being creative, and the blue hat for keeping things organized. Now, let's see how you can use these thinking hats in your classroom. Imagine you are talking about something like a big event from history. Give each student or group of students a hat. So one group looks at the facts with the white hat. Another group might wear the black hat and think about what could go wrong. The yellow hat group focuses on the good stuff, and the green hat group thinks up creative ideas. Here's another way to use them during group talks. Change the hats so everyone gets to think differently. For example, start talking about the character in a story with the red hat, sharing feelings. Then switch to the white hat to learn more about the character. This way, everyone gets a turn to think. Now, let's talk about why these thinking hats are so great for your classroom. First, they help your students think really well. They look at things from different angles, so they can make smart choices. Second, it makes students better at talking and working together. They learn to listen to different ideas and get along. So there you have it, a cool way to use the 6 thinking hats in your classroom. It's like a fun game that helps your students think better and work as a team. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more teacher tips. Thanks for hanging out with us at Edugage. Try these thinking hats in your next class and you'll be amazed at what thinking might happen. Until next time, happy teaching!